Guys, do you want to open your own store and started earning money? Like you can see this jewelries and lots of stuffs. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you how you can create without any investment, copy paste things, how to open your own website and you can post your affiliate links over this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just creating your own website and sell your products. Okay, absolutely free of course guys. There is no charges. You can create your own website. Okay, and you can also create your own e-commerce store and started earning money from this platform. Okay, from this platform. Lots and lots of people are asking me a question that's please tell me the way how we can earn money. Okay, because we don't know anything about earning money, because lots and lots of people are saying me this that sir, you should have a good amount of investment, and that is the only reason why I can able to earn money. Guys, there is no need of money. Okay, no investment needed, and you can open your own store and can earn money. You can also open your own store and can earn money without any investment. I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn with affiliate income, affiliate commission, and you can fill your spot to the end. Okay, how we can do it? Okay, so first of all guys, what you need to do, you can see this is a website, and I have shared this website with you in the description box. You can check it out and you can see this guys, see this, actually see this. These are the stuffs that you can sold, okay, sell, especially for women's, okay, who want to open their own stores. Okay, you can see this $79, $199. Okay, either you ship the products to intended recipient, or you can do it with third party like Amazon, Flipkart and all. You just promote their product and you're getting paid for that. Okay, so this is one thing, or we can say that one way of doing the things, okay, in a right way, in a right fashion. So what need to do first? Okay, what we can do first, so just need to just first sign up in this account. Okay, just click on the sign up button. Okay, just click on the sign up button and you can see this guys. I just need to sign up here. You can see this full name, email address and password and country. I just need to select. Okay, so so this is a page that is appeared on in front of you. You can see this. What kind of website would you like to create? Okay, you can select I need a website or I can open my online store. Guys, lots and lots of people are asking me a question that sir, please also tell us about what is blogging, how to become successful in blogging, and how to promote our products with respect to the blogging part as well. So guys, I am considering those people for right now, so that both of the things like affiliate marketing as well as online store part, I can able to create a website for you which will help you to generate your own blogs as well as your affiliate marketing side by side. Okay, how to do it? I'll show you. So you just need to click on this, just need a website, just need to click on this thing. Okay, because it will cover up the whole thing. It will cover up the whole perspective of yours. Okay, so guys, as you have already know that due to this COVID-19 condition, okay, there are lots and lots of people. There are lots and lots of people who are very health conscious. So we are trying to give those people the health and fitness products. Okay, we are giving the health and fitness products, and how we can do it, let's try a demo. And guys, you can select any of your niche that you can do. Okay, and guys, one more thing I just want to tell you, that if you are unable to generate income from affiliate marketing in the initial stages, you can do one thing. What you can do, you can create free website on this platform for your local vendors. Okay, like let us suppose saloon, barbers and food restaurants who do not have their own websites. Okay, so you can do the same thing. And how you can find out the number and contact details and get to know that whether that person is having a website or not. Okay, just come up here in this Google and just need to type out here food near me. Okay, I just need to type here this thing, food near me, or food in whatever states you are compatible in. Just click on this maps button. Okay, just click on this maps button, and you can see this, guys. On this platform you can see, there are some people who are there to find out some you can see this, there are some people who are having their own websites, but there are some people who do not have their own website. So you can do, guys, one thing. You can create a website. Okay, let us suppose this person is not having its own website, okay, but he is having its contact number. So what you can do, guys, okay, what you can do, you just contact that person and say that I will create a free website for you. Oh, not a free website, I can say that whatever the minimal charges that you want to give at 2000 rupees or 3000 rupees, I can create it, because, guys, it's just a drag and drop thing that you need to do, and just provide him the domain so that he can put over this on his platform. That's it, guys, because here you can create free website, drag and drop thing. That's it, what you need to do. Okay, the contact and static pages that you need to create, and whatever the additions, if he wants to do some manipulation on your side, you can do it manually. Okay, so for this this is one way of doing it. Okay, so, guys, if you like this video and like my strategies, just click on this like button. The video is not ended yet. Okay, I just need to show you some more things. So I just need to click on this thing, this template, this theme. Okay, you can see this is my theme, guys. Okay, where I can do the affiliate marketing. So there's a yoga page which influence basically for health conscious people. So start editing. You just need to click on this, and, guys, it will take some time to do the modification part, the panel that it will create and generate, and you can also manually create your own themes as well. Okay, for now, right now, you do not do it. Okay, just click on this later now and reload editor. Okay, and just click on this thing. Okay, so wait for this time. Okay, it will take some time to do this. Okay, so it will do the loading part. Okay, and, guys, this is your home page. You can see this is the home page that you have seen. Now what we need to do, guys, what is the basic important thing? I've already told you how to create a products, or we can say that sign up part on amazonassociate.com. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you just need to first come up here and just you need to type yoga. Okay, see this, you just need to type yoga, and you can see this, guys, that there are various kind of products, okay, which are available on this platform. There are various kind of products, books. Okay, there are some books and physical mat, which is very important for you. So what you can do, you can list down these kind of things. Let us suppose, guys, yoga belt, I want to sold this particular belt. So what I can do is to just click on these photos, images. Okay, if I just need to click on these photos and images, and you can see this is my photo. For this, I just need to save image as, I should select a decent image. Okay, let us suppose this is my image. Okay, which will show you that what is the importance of using this belt. Okay, so just you just need to save image as, and you can see this, you just need to save this image, and you can see this is my image. Okay, and what you need to do, guys, first is to just copy this thing, okay, and paste it on your website. Okay, you can see this, you just need to drag and drop things you need to do. See this? Okay, I just need to create it, just make it bold. Okay, and here in the description, what you can do, you just come up here in this description. So this is a nice looking description which will describe your product. Okay, so find some concise and precise decision. These are the descriptions. Okay, just need to copy this description, and what you need to do is to just paste it here. Okay, just you need to paste it here. You can see this. Okay, there's a small and concise description. Okay, and, guys, here what you need to do, this is a button. So shop the collection means you just want to buy that product. Okay, so what you need to do, just come up here. Okay, click on this link. Okay, website URL, and you just need to post your URL here. So from where you find this URL, you can see this get link. Okay, just click on this get link and you can see this text only, and guys short link, and you just need to copy this. Okay, and just what you need to do is to just paste it here. See this. Okay, that's it what you need to do. And if you just click on this thing, you can see this. Wait a second. If I just click on this, and you can see this, there is an Amazon link. Okay, so you might ask me a question that sir, there is no link there. It is already there. Okay, so what you can do guys is to, if you want to replace this image, you can do one thing is to just click on this replace and upload the image which I have already downloaded it. Okay, so it will take some time to do the uploading part. I'm not skipping any part guys, because I don't want you to miss even a single opportunity of doing it. Okay, so that there is no doubts. Okay, see this. Okay, see this. The things are already created, so you can see this. Okay, I just need to bring that thing. Okay, so this is one thing that you can do. Okay, this is one thing that you can do. And similarly guys, what you need to do is to just modify these things as well, and select as per your niche all the products. Okay, whether it is of yoga products or whatever fitness products it is. Okay, whether it is a mat, books that we need to sell on this platform, you can do as per your requirements. Okay, so now if I want to publish this website, what I can do? So what you need to do guys is to just click on this publish button so that you can publish your own website. So you can see this. If I just want to give a domain name guys, my website domain name through which it should be identified. Okay, I can type fitness, health, healthy, and or we can say that yoga. Okay, if I just click on this search button, okay, and just find out, yes, you can see this guys, you can see it includes 1 year free plan if you want to get a domain name like .com. Okay, so it's a paid version. I don't want you to choose the paid version, I just want to choose this free version, and just click on this done button, and you can see this guys, my link is actually posting. Okay, you can see this is my domain name. So what I need to do, this is my, you can see this, open a new tab, and this is my website which is already created free of cost. Not even a single penny from my pocket is going to spend. And you can see this guys, I can do shopping. So you can see this, if I just click on this, and you can see this, the belt is appeared on this platform, and I'll get the commission. Okay, one more thing guys, most important thing, how to get the traffic. Because the only thing that is important is traffic. If this website is I have created, now where is the traffic? So guys, what you need to do, just come up here in this pinterest.com. Okay, and another website is your quora. Okay, I just show you first in Pinterest, okay, how to create a pin. So do one thing guys, is to select that image. Okay, you just need to type yoga fitness. Okay, you can say yoga fitness, and whatever description that you need to give. Let us suppose what is my product is yoga fitness, and I just need to copy this thing as well. Okay, so also include this thing. Okay, and make sure that you have created a build. Okay, it would be great. Give a small description as per your choice. Okay, and give it a link. Okay, as your link, affiliate link that you need to give. So just click on this get link. Okay, where it is, yes it is, text now, short link. So this is my link. Okay, just need to copy this and just not Amazon link, I should say that this website link I should give. Okay, sorry, my bad, this website link, because Amazon links this website will deny. Okay, so in the health section you can see this, just need to publish it. So you can see this guys, there is no effort of you can see that this Pinterest is not taking your website links. Okay, there is no security flows. And guys, you can see that various kind of people over this website, okay, want to earn these kind of, they are also selling these kind of stuffs. Okay, so whatever people, if they are watching this thing, okay, they just need to click on this thing, and you can see this yoga, health and fitness, and they, if they like your products that you have displayed, they just need to click on this thing and you are getting paid for that. Okay, that's simple, guys. Okay, another thing is your quora. Okay, so in quora.com, what you can do, guys, is to just type here health. Okay, you just need to type health. Okay, you just need to type health, and guys, you just need to select some of the most potential questions that will help you to generate traffic. Okay, so with the health, I just type yoga. Okay, if I just type yoga, let's see what are the results. Okay, you can see this, guys. What are the benefits of yoga? Okay, so you can find out and with your affiliate link you can answer the questions. Okay, so you just need to answer it. Here you can see this, you can answer it: in order to stay fit, let's see what I have written on my website. Okay, and provide your website link. So this is my website link. You can see this. Automatically Quora, what it will do, will create a backlink on this text, my website. Okay, just click on this, enter, and just submit it. Guys, do not try to give your we can say that affiliate link of Amazon. Okay, don't try to give it, just give the site name. That's it, guys. Site name that you need to give, that's it. Okay, and they are indirectly coming up to your website and just started earning money. Otherwise your account on this platform is getting banned, okay, so don't try to do this kind of blunder. Okay, just try to be more concise out of it. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys, because I have told you each and everything, how to create your own website and how to create others' website, so that you will generate a handsome amount of income from this website. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.